In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. Sharing your live location can be really helpful when you're meeting up with friends or family, or when you want someone to know you're getting home safely. Instead of sending constant messages about where you are, WhatsApp can automatically update your location in real time for a set amount of time. Let's walk through exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to share your live location. This can be either a one-to-one chat with a single person or a group chat if you want multiple people to see your location. Make sure you're comfortable with everyone in that conversation seeing where you are, because live location shares with everyone in that chat. Once you're inside the chat, look for the attachment icon. On most phones, this looks like a little paperclip or plus symbol, usually near the text box where you type your messages. Tap on that icon and a menu of options will appear, such as camera, photos, document, and so on. From those options, choose location. If this is your first time using this feature, your phone may ask for permission to let WhatsApp access your location. You'll want to allow this, and ideally choose the option that lets WhatsApp access your location while you're using the app. Without this permission, live location sharing won't work properly. After you tap location, you'll see a map appear, along with a few options. One of them will say, Share Live Location. Tap on that. Now WhatsApp will ask you how long you want to share your live location. You can usually pick from several time limits, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Choose the duration that makes the most sense for what you're doing. Remember, after that time passes, your live location will automatically stop sharing. Before you send it, you can also type a short message if you want, such as on my way, or track me until I arrive. Then tap the send button. The chat will now show a message with a map preview indicating that your live location is being shared. While it's active, the other person or people in the chat can tap that map to see your movement in real time as you change locations. If you decide you want to stop sharing before the time runs out, just open the chat again, tap on the live location message, and choose the option to stop sharing. That gives you full control over your privacy at any moment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to share your live location on WhatsApp.